Hey guys, it's your girl Zayda back with some more hair talk. But today I don't have a crochet hair review for you guys. Today is all about me documenting my new lock journey. So yes, I finally decided to lock it up. It has now been 3 weeks, and I just want to go over a few things that I've noticed so far during this journey. So, first of all, I wanted to start this because I've always loved locks. I always said that I was going to lock my hair up, and I locked my son's hair up 2 years ago, and his is just growing so nicely. I'm going to insert some pics, so don't worry, of his hair and of this journey. And I just wanted to, just have an easy, low maintenance, natural lifestyle. I've already gone vegan and started this keto journey. So I'm like, why not just lock my hair up and just let my hair tell a story? Let my hair mark the time when I started all of these transitions and transformations and all that good stuff. So yeah, this is the beginning. I started my locks on April 7th, and the first pair of locks, actually, no. I started my locks on April 1st of this year, and I started with the comb coils. I'm going to insert a picture. So yeah, the comb coils just did not work out for me. I think I had them in for about 2 days, and I ended up taking them out because once I worked out and like really worked up a sweat, like my comb coils was just feeling so nasty. It just didn't feel like they were going to hold up. So I was like, no, let me just wash these out and start all over on a Sunday. So I ended up taking them out and redoing my hair on April 7th. It took me, I went with the 2-strand twist, which is what I have in now. And that has been holding up for me. It just works perfectly for my hair. I don't know what type of hair I have, whether it's like a 4B. It's very curly, in between like kinky and curly. And I definitely noticed when I did the 2-strand twist that my hair did shrink. So yeah, I started with the 2-strand twist on April 7th. It took me about 3 hours, I would say. I think it took 3 hours. Yeah. So it kind of moved into midnight. So I don't know if my lockiversary should be the 7th or the 8th. I'm still trying to work that out. Maybe I'll celebrate both days. How about that? Yeah, so far so good. I'm really loving my hair. I would say bobby pins have been my best friend because my hair was shaved in the back and shaved on the sides. So it's been growing out in its own time. So I've just been patient. So that's another thing that I'm learning with these locks. Like, you have to have patience. Like, there's no way out. Like, if you want this, you have to have patience. So my hair is kind of like shorter on this side and then longer on this side. But I know like pretty soon it'll all catch up to one because my hair has grown back in the back. Yeah, basically I've just been pinning my hair up sometimes with the bobby pins just to kind of give me a little style. When I'm going out somewhere, when I'm in the house, I'm free form. Like, it just doesn't matter. I don't care. Don't ask me how many locks I have in my head because that was just not important to me. I know a lot of people count their locks and say I have about 60 or I have about 100. For me, I just wanted my hair to be full. I just wanted I wanted my parts to be boxed. So that's what I went with. But no, I was not counting along the way. So I finally just washed my hair in week 3. I was so ready to wash my hair. I'm like, oh my God, I need to wash my hair. It's just that feeling, that sensation of being in the shower and you just wetting your hair and just letting the water run through your hair. I was missing that, I'm not gonna lie. But now that I've washed my hair and retwisted, now I feel secure. I feel satisfied. Like, okay, I can go on another 3 weeks, until I start getting that itch to wash my hair. So far, so good. I will say I noticed in week 2 that I got a little fuzz happening. So I was like, oh, I got some frizz. I got some frizz, y'all. So I was really happy about that. I did notice, like, I won't say budding. I don't know if it's budding yet, so we just won't go there with the budding. I'll wait until the next rewash to see how well my hair is coming along on this journey. But yeah, so that's where I'm at. I won't be doing any more crochet hair reviews for the time being. I don't even know if you can crochet your hair with locks. I don't know. But yeah, ever since I did the faux lock crochet review, I want to say that was like a month or two ago. I was like, you know what? I'm ready. I'm ready to lock it up. I'm ready to, live my natural best life. So that's kind of how that worked out. So I'll be updating with the products that I used during my initial twist. And just, I'll be documenting this journey along the way. I'm just so excited. And if you are on this journey as well, please feel free to leave your tips in the comment box below. Like, I need some tips. I need some natural sisters to kind of coach me along the way. There's plenty of videos on YouTube, with everybody else's journey, but nobody's journey is the same. So it's always good for us to learn from each other and, pick up some tips and tricks along the way. And if you're thinking about trying this, you really want to make sure that you're ready. Like, you really want to make sure that you're ready. That would be my only one recommendation, because it does take a lot of patience, which I'm noticing. And, you just gotta hang in there. Like, you're gonna have your days where you feel good. I have my days where I feel good, and I have my days where I'm like, okay, we're getting through this. We're getting through this. So yeah, that is just what I wanted to come on here and talk about tonight. I am so happy about all this. So yeah, just stay tuned. And please make sure you thumbs up this video if you like it. Hit that subscribe button. I know I've been gone for a minute, but I'm back. So yeah, I'm happy that you joined me tonight. And until the next video, take care.